RAD Clean All and Protect is an innovative cleaner that is biodegradable and gentle, yet effective in cleaning a variety of surfaces while offering unique protective qualities that we have mastered. On non-skid or textured areas, clean away any loose debris and spray on RAD Clean All and Protect to the surface. Using a stiff scrub brush, work the product into the surface to loosen and lift dirt and grime from the surface. Reapply as needed to get the desired result. The cleaned surface does not need to be rinsed with water, as RAD Clean All and Protect contains polymers that will protect the surface and will not leave the surface feeling tacky or sticky. Vinyl surfaces can be cleaned to remove surface dirt and grime with minimal effort. Using a scrub brush or a towel, work the product into the surface and wipe away the residue. RAD Clean All and Protect will not degrade or hurt the cushion stitching, and with the mold and mildew inhibitor will prevent mold and mildew from growing on the stitching. On EVA foam or C-deck type surfaces, spray RAD Clean All and Protect on the surface and allow it to penetrate. Using a clean microfiber towel, work the product into the surface and wipe away the lifted dirt. The treated area will be left clean with a polymer coating that will protect from UV and mildew buildup. RAD Clean All and Protect will not harm or degrade EVA foam, as it is not chemically aggressive. On carpet, spray the area to be treated and allow it to penetrate. Using a scrub brush, work the area, allowing the product to loosen the dirt and stains. Using a clean microfiber towel, wipe the area and remove the lifted dirt. The carpet does not have to be dried completely, as RAD Clean All and Protect contains mold and mildew inhibitors, which will protect the carpet and leave a mildew-resistant barrier.